hello everyone. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to teach you, I am going to teach you how you're going to organize or customize your iPhone using the iOS 14. So yeah, let's start. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Okay, so yeah, so I'm going to start doing the screen recording. So yeah, this is what it looks like on my phone. This is very simple time. So after I updated my phone into iOS 14, I can be able to change my my wallpaper. So I just changed the one. I'm going to change it later, but this is fine. So yeah, if you want your home screen like this thing look like it, this is what you're going to do first. As you can see, this one I have my my calendar as big as it is, and then the temperature. you know, um, yeah, I'm here. It's the place. So yeah, to do that one, you can hold your home screen, click the add sign, and add whatever you wanted. For example, I'm going to add the clock, which is it's not really, but you can choose like your photos or the shortcuts. Okay, let's see the shortcuts. We can add a shortcut. So yeah, here the good thing in here is that you can also make this one as big or small or the medium size that you wanted to have. Okay, let's have this one. Okay, this is what it looks like. And if you don't want this one, you can remove that one and do that one. Okay, you can hold, and that is what you can have that one here. And then if you're done adding things in there in the home screen, then you can click your home button. And now, as you can see in my Facebook, Among Us, my Discord has different picture in it. So if you want to know what's that, of course I'm going to teach you that one. So yeah, you are going to click shortcuts and then click the plus sign, add action, and then click the scripting, and then open app, and then click the choose, and what app you wanted to have, like mostly that you are using, like in daily life. You can have your what do I have in there? Camera. Yeah, I have the camera, Discord, the Facebook, and what else? Okay, the Gmail, because I'm using that one also. And click next, and then shortcut name, so Gmail, still Gmail, I'm using that one. And then click the done, and then click again the three dot the three dots, and then add home screen, and click the one that has the blue color on the lower side, like on the sides of that one. Click that one, then choose photo, and then you choose what you want to use. So you can say the flower. You can also resize your photo. You can zoom in, zoom out, or what you wanted, and then add. And here it's already added to your home screen. And let's go back there. Of course, it will go back to the last screen you have. Then you can long press that one, eat that home screen, and you drag that one to the home screen that you wanted to have. Okay, here. And if you wanted to have this one again, okay, I don't like to have this one, so remove widget. Okay, it's already been removed, and then we can add another one. Okay, so yeah, done. It's done, and then select add again, add action, scripting, choose the app, and then you have to choose the Bible, because I'm using that one, and then click the three bottom again before you're going to do next, and then shortcut name, say Bible, and then add to home screen. Click again the one on the lower side with color blue on the side, and choose a photo. Let's say I think I'm using already like all of it, so I'm just gonna do that one. Okay, add. Okay, done. Okay, it's been used already. I did not. Oh, it's already. yeah, once you click that one already, then you can be able to do that one. So that is what you're going to do if you wanted to just going to delete that one first because I'm going to edit it again. If you wanted more to like to put in your home screen, you can have that one. Just click on the shortcut again, shortcut add, and then add action. Click the scripting, and then choose an app. Click the choose, okay, the Bible, and then do that one. Shortcut name by Bible. Add home screen, and then click the one the blue one, and resize the photo that you wanted. Choose, and then you can see the preview is it's this new shortcut still, so I'm not gonna do that. Ah, shortcut name is Bible. Add, size your photo, and then add the home screen. And now we are going to drag that one, edit home screen. No. That home screen and drag it to where you wanted. There you have that one. Okay, so we're not gonna edit that one all throughout, but I'm just going to show you like quick one, and I still have more to add in there because I use like many apps like every day. It's not just that. And then if you wanted that one to like, yeah, because I don't have more picture to put into, so I'm just gonna stop that one. But what's good thing in iOS 14 I also is that you can get rid of this one, the two one, and then just that one that you can see when you open your phone. So you are going to hold your screen, and then as you can see, I have the lower and on the lower side I have the three dots in there. You click that one, and this is what you're going to see. So if you wanted this only the first one to be seen in your phone, then click the um do not click, I mean click the one because it will going to be hidden, and so the one that with has the check will be going to be seen in your phone. So yeah, that's it. And then click your home screen, and yeah, then nothing more, nothing less in your phone. You can see your other apps in there, but if you wanted to go back to the apps, then again click your home screen, click the dots, and then click check if you wanted to use again your the apps that you wanted to use there. So yeah, that's actually one other good thing in the iOS 14. And next is also the other apps that been added in iOS 14 is the translate, where you can translate. You don't need to go to Google to find some translation. You can have that one. If you want to have the Chinese, then if you want English to Chinese, then you can do that one. For example, if you want to speak that one, like you don't need to text that one, then you can be able to speak out what you want to translate. For example, hello, subscribe to my channel. It's still listening, and yeah, you can be able to see that one.
你好，订阅了我的频道。
Okay, again, if you wanted to read it, I hear again, then this is what it says.
你好，订阅了我的频道。
Okay, I don't know how to say that one first, but I'm just showing you how you are going to say that one. If you wanted to translate, or for example, you change English to I don't know what it's Korean, then you can have that one, and then again that one.
안녕하세요. 제 채널을
Okay.
구독하세요.
You don't need to like constantly talk to the same text that you wanted to translate. You're just going to change the translation to English to Korean, or Korean to English, or whatever you wanted. So that yeah, I guess we are done. That is actually what is good in iOS 14. Like what do I like in here is that I can be able to customize my home screen, like using like the photo that I wanted. As you can see, it's all blue because I love color blue. So yeah. And what else is that? I mean, other thing is, this app library was most of I mean, some of the people don't like to see this one, but this is actually cool. Like, you don't need to go actually to the hidden app, you know, as if you wanted this one. um I'm going to show you. I'm going to get that one, and then this one is also is only the thing that I'm going to see in my phone. And the app library, you don't need to go there. You can go in here already, like still the apps that you are been I you can use beside that. You have your Snapchat here, your Twitter, whatever, your TikTok. You have that one even if it's not in your home screen, that you can be able to see. So yeah, this is what we had in here. I mean, you can see, but why am I showing this one when you already can see my home screen? So yeah, I hope I helped you today, and I know you are excited to organize or customize your home screen. Yeah, before I forgot, is that you can also get rid of your this one on the search area, because you already have your um in your home screen. You already have your calendar, so you can be able to get rid of this and then remove widget. You can remove that one um in here. So I'm just going to show you also what is in new. I mean, yeah. So yeah, I think that's it. That's all I can share to you guys, like how you are going to choose. And if you wanted more about that one, I'm still going to give you some tips. You can comment down below, like if you wanted to help. If you want me to help you with your iPhone thing, you can also comment me, and then I'm going to reply to you some tips or anything that you can be able to, you want to know. So yeah, thank you for watching, and see you again to my next video. If you wanted tips or you want gaming, you can freely go to my YouTube channel.